Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dakal, and in this video we'll talk about an extremely important thing that is called peace of mind. So no matter whatever we achieve in our life, whatever we get in our life, or whatever we desire in our life, but if we fail to maintain or achieve the peace of mind, then everything will be eventually destroyed. So if you see me in my daily life, I am extremely silent type of person. I don't like to involve in lots of activities or any kind of discussions that are uh, unuseful for me in my life. But whenever anything happens in my life that have the capacity to destroy the peace of my mind, then I extremely start to get violent or defendant in those kind of stuff. And why it is so important, why peace of mind is so important. See, when we don't have peace of mind, peace in our mind, then you can think about the domino effect. The domino effect starts to happen when our mind is not stable. We either start to do uh, bad stuff in small level. Okay, so what happens actually in domino effect when domino means it is kind of rectangular box where one is small, another is big, then another is a bit big, another is a bit big, another is a bit big. So, and when that small bad effect happens, that falls down, then it will make another a little bit big domino also will fall down, and similarly it starts to knock out every domino, and at last it will knock out that person also. Okay, so you can search about this thing on internet also. And but if you have a stable mind, if you have a stable you have peace in your mind, then you will most probably don't get involved in such kind of small bad habits, like people start to smoke, and then gradually over time they will start to drink, they will start to do drug, and ultimately they will destroy their life. There is a domino effect happening which started from smoking a cigarette. Now to uh, start that small domino of smoking cigarette, there need to be some kind of problem or excitement that is not actually good for that people, but they did not have that consciousness, that peace of mind to tackle that problem at the initial phase. So that domino effect starts to happen. Now similarly, if you have peace of mind and if you think of starting your exercise, then you may think of going to gym. Okay, and you have chubby body or you have fat body, and you'll start to lose weight, and maybe ultimately you will get six packs, good kind of structure of your body. That is the good effect. Okay, when you are absolutely happy and clear and you have peace of mind. Okay, so this thing happens. So uh, we need to be financially free. That is a good thing. Firstly, we need to be financially free, and then we need to think about our mind also. Okay, you can't be just going in a way and not looking to the other aspects of our life, which can impact eventually in use level. Okay, so whenever I personally, whenever anything happens that is capable of destroying my peace, then I will directly fight with those kind of stuff. Either it is people, person, if I need to eradicate, if I need to remove those people from my life, or if I need to not talk with those kind of people, then I'll take actions on all those stuff and regain the peace of my mind, and life is going to be a lot easier in that way. Otherwise it is going to be hard, like domino effect, and it can even knock down the person at the end. So this much I want to tell in this video. I hope this made a little bit sense for you, and thanks for watching this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.